Looking for the best, most efficient way to get rid of the hard water stains? I'm going to tell you, I'm a 30-year professional house cleaner, and this is one of the most common questions I get. It's hard water. It's so frustrating. I know, but I'm going to make it simplified here. There's a lot of people that teach different techniques, and I'm going to simplify the process for you. Let's go. With Barkeeper's Friend. Barkeeper's Friend is used a lot, and this does work good. However, it works on toilets, it works on so many things, shower glass, but there are some things that you want to watch out for. It's very, very chemically smelled, okay? It's not a pleasant smell at all. So this is what I do to make it smell a bit better. Is I open it up and I add about 20 drops of essential oil right here. So this is going to make it smell a lot better. But here's what you want to know about this Barkeeper's Friend. It does get rid of hard water stains, but it's chemically smells, and this will make it smell better. But there's some things that you do not want to use this on, okay? This is a very harsh cleaner, and you definitely are going to need some gloves with this. But because it is powerful, it's not safe for some surfaces. Use on gold, silver, sterling silver is okay, polished stone, cast iron, or lacquered, painted, mirrored, some coated finishes, grouts can be affected. So this works, but because it doesn't smell that great, and you have to, as a homeowner, be very, very careful what you're going to use it on. It's kind of confusing. It works on this, but works on this, but not on that. So this I don't find to be the best option. It works, but you know, the fact that it's kind of confusing what it's good on and what it's not good on makes it, you know, not so easy for the homeowner. And I'm making this easy for the homeowner, okay? Our second option, this is Bright and Clean. This was invented by a glass cleaning man, and it does work good and has no smell. The only thing is, it is a powder, okay? It's like a powder. And so you're going to wet it on a cloth, put it on a cloth, and then massage it into the glass. Now, this works on porcelain, glass, everything like that too. But it's powder. I have something I feel like works better. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, well, what about vinegar? Everybody always talks about vinegar. Okay, vinegar is a great natural option. However, it's a lot like Barkeeper's Friend. It's not safe for stone. And if you do use vinegar, okay, do not use it anywhere around stone. And today, a lot of people have stone. Like, say there's some little gooky stuff around your faucet, the hard water buildup, and you have granite or quartz. You do not want to use vinegar. Say you want to use to clean your shower glass, but you have travertine in your shower, or granite or marble. You do not want to use vinegar because it will run down and it'll ruin your granite, marble, travertine. So in these cases, which is a lot of cases, that is not an easy option, okay? So I feel like that's a lot like Barkeeper's Friend. I'm going to give you the product that is the easiest, that you don't have to worry about chemicals or ruining any other kind of fixture when you're cleaning with this, okay? And that would be Bioclean. Bioclean is more of a natural cleaner. It smells like mint. Actually, I think it smells like Pepto-Bismol, if y'all know what that smells like. But it's a very, very thick paste. Let me show you. Look right here, okay? Safe for shower doors, aquariums, granite, brass, aluminum, stone, water, barbecue grills, tombstones, fireplace, stovetops, and cookware, stainless steel, hard vinyl, glass surfaces, pool areas, RVs, fiberglass, window, porcelain, tile, and grout, which a lot of those are not, windshields, chrome, and corian, okay? So, like, this is no worry. Like, see, you don't want too many problems. Like, it works here, does it work there? But let me show you some examples of how this works and how I apply it. Now, you just apply the thick paste to a cloth and you work in circular motions. You're going to be amazed at how easy this is. So just keep going in circles, circles, round, round, round. And that hard water, see how clear it is? And see that. These are major hard water stains. The calcium built up. They just keep coming back. This not only removes them, it protects it up to 3 months. I'm going to show you how it works on aluminum as well. And we've already talked about it being safe on other surfaces. Look at the difference. It is amazing. And that's not even putting glass cleaner on it after you clean it off. Now this one is using 000 fine steel wool, working in circular motions. You can do this as well. This is the aluminum before and the aluminum after applying the Bioclean. 000 fine steel wool. You can find this at Home Depot or Lowe's hardware store in like the painting department, okay? Make sure it's 000 fine steel wool. I know this scares a lot of people, so you don't have to do it, but I'll show you in the video how it is effective and it does not scratch, okay, as long as it's 000. Also, we have drill brush, the drill brush attachments that you can use to scrub it with. You know, this is extreme case scenario. I don't find that this is necessary, but you know, a lot of people do use this and it is effective, okay? But since we're talking about glass and shower, I highly recommend getting some glass cleaning cloths. These leave no lint. They're perfect for glass. You can use water or a glass cleaner with them, and they last literally forever. And I would not clean any glass or mirror without these. So this is, once you have applied the Bioclean, this is the perfect way to wipe up anything. And I want to go over a couple of ways that you can prevent the hard water from building up on your shower glass or your shower walls. Always use a squeegee. I mean, when the water sits there, the chemicals in the water, the acid in the water is sitting on the glass, sitting on your tile, fiberglass, whatever you have. And it is causing damage just sitting there. Over day, you know, every day we take shower after shower, just sitting there. So if you just take a few minutes to squeegee it off, this will really prevent a lot of these problems. The second thing that's going to really help you out is cleaning more often. Okay, it can even get so much buildup that it literally etches your glass. That's permanent damage. So, you know, once you get permanent damage, you have to replace the whole thing. It will literally etch the glass in your shower. So cleaning it more often is going to help prevent a lot of things. I also highly suggest a dish wand that you scrub the shower with, and just keep this in your shower with some non-toxic dish soap. And when you get out, you just scrub it really good like that. And this will help you prevent all this buildup. And we wouldn't even be having this video if you took those 3 steps. Squeegee, use the dish wand, and do some often cleaning. This will really help prevent about 80% of this buildup. If you have any questions, just leave in the comments. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. And I will be back next week for more cleaning tips and hacks.